Hello and welcome to my today's show on incredible ideas of wealth creation. Our current recommendation is Rallis India Ltd. In today's video, I'll be discussing about Rallis as a company, their operation, their financials, and obviously the rationale behind why we are recommending Rallis India Ltd. About this particular company, all of you know that this is a Tata Group company. Uh, this is a subsidiary of Tata Chemical Limited. The company has a significant presence in the agrochemical market and seed market as well. The company in the crop protection market, the company is a manufacturer of some herbicide, some fungicide, some plant growth uh, nutrients, and apart from that, as I told that they're the manufacturer developer of some important seed for the kharif and a little bit of the rabi crops. So in the agrochemical market, they have a significant presence in a molecule called pendimethalin, which is a pre-emergence herbicide used to control annual grasses and certain broad-leaved weeds. So the global market size of pendimethalin is around USD 413 million. Another one herbicide called metribuzin, which is used to destroy some pre-emergence and post-emergence in some important crops like soybean, potatoes, tomatoes, sugarcane. Uh, the company is a manufacturer of this particular molecule, uh, and the global market size of the chemical is USD 196 million. And one fungicide called hexaconazole. The company is a manufacturer of hexaconazole. The global market size of this particular chemical is USD 149 million, and along with that, another one fungicide, metalaxyl. Company is a important player for metalaxyl manufacturing also. The global market size of metalaxyl is USD 89 million. The company has four manufacturing sites at Akola, Ankleshwar, Lota, and Dahej. In the Akola side, the company has separate facilities for herbicide, fungicide, insecticide, uh, and their capacity is 8,500 kiloliter in this particular site. And in Ankleshwar, the company manufactures technical grades of fungicide. Besides this, the company has azole molecule capacity also in Ankleshwar. Uh, Lotte is basically licensed for manufacturing acephate, which is an organophosphorus compound. The manufacturing capacity in this particular facility is 4,400 metric ton. And Dahej is also a technical manufacturing facility for crop protection products. The company has significant presence in the CRAMS business, where the company manufactures couple of molecules called polyether ketone, which is basically used in the used as a thermoplastic, uh, used in finds its application in automotive, aerospace, biomedical sectors. And polyether ketone, apart from this PEKK, polyether ketone, the company is a manufacturer of metconazole, uh, and which is basically an ingredient of fungicide. And the company supplies metconazole to one big player of Japan called Kureha Chemical. They have global presence in agrochemical and pharmaceutical ingredients. And in the seed business, the company develops BT cotton and BT rice, and they have significant presence in this kharif portfolio. And like as per the management, as I already told, that we keep on tracking companies, we keep on speaking to the management. So management told that they sold around 1 million packets of bt cotton till this q4 fy20, that is by march 2020. The company is, all of you know that they're a kharif player, but their revenue is cyclical in nature. So Q1 and Q2 earns around 85% of their total revenue. The company, currently the management has management is basically focusing to rebalance their portfolio, adding new uh, seeds, new ravi seeds. That is the mainly uh, uh, that is called vegetable portfolio, vegetable seeds basically. So they are adding these vegetable seeds to balance their portfolio. So this is their strategy, and going forward also I'll be discussing lots of their strategies and uh, their recent developments as well. Uh, Now, I'm going to discuss the rationale behind why we are recommending Rallis India Limited at this point of time. So, as all of you know, that Indian Meteorological Department, that is IMD, is projecting normal monsoon for this financial year FY21. IMD projected 100% of normal monsoon, that is 100% of long-term average, and obviously this augurs well for Kharif season, upcoming Kharif season. And as already I did mention that company, the management told that they have sold 1 million packets of bt cotton seeds. So this is obviously augurs well for the company. And already I did mention that they are rebalancing their seed portfolio. So far their revenue was cyclical in nature. Q1 and Q2 used to comprise of 85% of their revenue, but currently they are focusing to build up their uh, vegetable portfolio, that is mainly rabi crop. So this is likely to balance their overall portfolio. So this is also another rationale behind. And recently the company has revised their credit terms, and it helped the working capital conversion cycle to improve from 24% of the sales to 18% of the sales. So working capital days has also gone down from 106 days in the previous year to 70 days in the current year. So this entire thing, actually, this strategy has helped to improve their cash position. So this is one another rationale why we're recommending uh, the Rallis India Limited. And apart from that, uh, CRAMS is a big opportunity for the company. They are in the contract manufacturing services, and the company manufactures polyether ketone, PEKK, and metconazole. So the company is trying to expand their CRAMS business by making tie-up with international innovators. So this is the strategy of the company to expand their CRAMS business. And as the management did mention that like there is a big opportunity for the company, they are likely to get an order of USD 2 billion uh, from one Japanese company. So this is a big positive for the company. And uh, during this lockdown, we know that all of the business, all of the operation got hampered. But the company earned time of the lockdown. What they did, that they had to do annual maintenance, and for that plants had to be shut down. What they did, they coincided their annual maintenance shutdown with the lockdown, so that they saved this particular time. And this coincided, so it's like the lockdown complete closure of the plant did not uh, adversely impacted to the company. And the company, obviously, after resumption of the operation, the company is operating at low capacity with limited workforce that is there. And still, like, all these factors are going to be positive for the company, and government's uh, 20 lakh crore package with financial package what honorable PM announced day before yesterday in the evening. So this 20 lakh crore of financial package is going to play out a big role in the economy. Obviously, not in the short term. It's a long term bet basically. This infusion of this particular amount is likely to revive the economy amid this lockdown and like closure of the plants, activities everywhere. So the Honorable PM did mention about the reform of supply chain of agriculture. So agriculture sector is obviously going to get benefit out of it. PM did mention about the wellness of farmers. So obviously the purchasing power of farmer makes the agrochemical industries uh, good actually. So uh, this entire package is going to play a key role in the long run for the entire agrochemical sector, entire agriculture sector, and obviously the company. This augurs well for the company as well. And very interesting that company is entering into a new domain, as all of we know that coronavirus pandemic has changed the lifestyle of people. Hand sanitizer and mask is going to be a part of our daily life now. On this backdrop, the company has received FDA approval for manufacturing alcohol-based sanitizer. So the company has already produced 140 kiloliter of hand sanitizer from its Akola facility, which the company distributed to various government bodies and hospitals. So the company did mention, the management did mention also that they will be producing the same hand sanitizer from their Ankaleshwar facility as well. So has a big planning of expansion of this particular business. So in a very small time, what I can show you that regarding the report, what I have written, this particular report, let me show you, gives all of the details regarding the company, their financials, the rationale behind how the like outlook and valuation, comparison with Nifty. So all of these are very important actually. Their product line, recent development strategies I mentioned here. I have discussed a little bit of the capex. Uh, these are the financials, so everything is there, and obviously the risk, which is very important to before investment. So I have prepared this particular report which you can get free of cost, and also just would like to mention here that just giving for the target and uh, like giving you the target, what we do, that we do financial modeling. I did mention it in all of my videos that we do financial modeling, and all of our target are that rational based and this financial modeling based targets, valuation based targets. So these are the this is the financial, this is the PL which I have projected for FY 21 like these things are there. So based on all of these, I have recommended this particular company, Rallis India Limited. So hope you have enjoyed, and please to get this particular report in details, what you can do, you can click on the link below. You have to submit your mail ID, and you will be getting the mail containing the research report. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your valuable time, and please subscribe us to get uh, the upcoming live recommendations and research reports. Thank you so much.